Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with a delicious cake recipe. It's almond apple cake. I made this with fresh apples, freshly ground almonds and yogurt. It is very soft and moist cake. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for future notification. Give a thumbs up and share this with your loved ones. Let's get into the video. First, I am going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Then I am greasing the pan. Here I used 9-inch wide cake tin. Brush some oil, melted butter or ghee on the sides and the bottom. Then line with parchment paper. Brush some oil on top of the paper also. If you don't have parchment paper, you can simply dust it with some flour. Make sure the flour is coated all around. Then you can remove the excess flour. Into a bowl, I am adding 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, that is 165 grams. 1/4 cup of ground almonds, that is 30 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, that is 4 grams. Half teaspoon of baking soda, that is 2 grams, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well with the help of a whisk. See, we can make almond powder at home very easily. Add almonds into the boiled water and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Then peel off the skin and dry with a clean kitchen towel. Grind this in small mixie jar for 15 seconds. Your almond powder is ready. Make sure you dry the almond and the mixie jar well so that we get a nice powder. Into another bowl, I am adding all the wet ingredients. First, adding 2 large eggs. Eggs should be in room temperature. Beat it properly for 1 minute with the help of a whisk. In this recipe, you don't need to use an electric beater. With a whisk only, you can do everything. Adding 3/4 cup, that is 180 grams of plain yogurt or curd. This also should be in room temperature. Transfer the curd into a strainer and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes so that we can strain out all the water. After removing the water, you have to weigh it. Adding half cup, that is 120 ml of flavorless oil. Here I used sunflower oil. 1 teaspoon, that is 4 grams of pure vanilla extract. Then give it a good mix. One cup, that is 200 grams of granulated white sugar. Mix it well until the sugar gets dissolved. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am adding wet ingredients into the tray. So make a well in the center and add the egg mix into this. Mix it well with a spatula. Make sure everything is combined well. I feel little lumps are there in the batter, so I am using a whisk and mixing it again. So the batter is ready. Transfer this into the cake tin. Tap this for a couple of times so that the extra air bubbles would escape. Now I am chopping some apples to give a toppings for the cake. I used Royal Gala variety of apples. Make it into small pieces, otherwise it would sink into the batter. Here totally I used 1.5 apples. Now carefully place it on top of the batter. Now I am covering this with thinly sliced almonds. Sprinkle some brown sugar on top of this. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use normal white sugar. Transfer this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. See, the cake is baked well. It has come to a nice golden color on the sides. Remember, every oven's temperature is different, so keep watching after 40 minutes. Allow it to cool down completely. Then I am transferring this into a plate. Loosen the sides with a spatula, then keep a plate on top of this and turn it. It is really very soft and spongy. You can see the texture. You also try this at home and see how it is. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.